Hey, thanks to all you people that have subscribed to my channel. I've reached the 700 subscriber mark, and that's awesome. Um, but thanks for watching my videos, and I really do appreciate it. I mean, it is a little bit of work doing this, but it helps me document what I'm doing, and if I can help somebody, great. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I mean, I really do, with all my heart. But it really does help me videoing this stuff, because I got a motor today that it's taken us 6 weeks to get parts, and it's came from Honda, and I guess their runs. It's an older engine. It's a 97. It's a Honda outboard. It's a BF45 4-stroke 45 horsepower engine. Since I had it sitting for almost 6 weeks, I had to go back and review it. Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. And I haven't posted, I don't think, any of that yet. I have to look, and but I plan on it. I plan on going through, and some of it I don't think was very good footage, but I guess you live and learn. Trying to get better on my shots, more close-ups and things like that. It is difficult doing it by yourself. If I had somebody that was in there doing it, I need to get stuff done too, so it takes a while to do. And hey, so if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can see when I got another video out. Usually I try to post them about once a week. I've been a little behind, caught up a little bit some, but keeps track of what I'm doing, and I hope you enjoy the videos. They are what they are, just me kind of doing my thing. So hey, I really enjoy providing the content. We'll see you guys later.